In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop from Android to iPhone. So please watch the video till the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So first, we want to get our two devices, our Android device and our iPhone device. So first, in our iPhone device, we want to go to Safari and go to sharedrop.io. And you want to do the same thing on your Android device. You want to use your Chrome and go to sharedrop.io. And after that, it will automatically detect nearby devices. And after you have detected the other device, you can just simply click that device or tap on that device. And now you can easily send your files, your photos, or your videos to that other device, whether it's an Android or an iPhone or an Apple device. So through there, after you've sent it, a pop-up will show that someone has sent you a file and you can just easily download it from the browser. So that's how simple and easy it is to use AirDrop and transfer files from Android to iPhone or vice versa. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.